Happy Friday from Newport again. Today we're going to do something very special. This is a secret recipe, family recipe. So I want you to pay attention, and we will provide all the ingredients and everything at the end. This is it's actually my Uncle Pete Curtis's famous whiskey sour. First you got to get out your blender. And we're going to start with the blender. Now follow the ingredients here. We're going to measure everything with a can, and we're going to be a can of frozen lemonade. So we're going to start with that. And so that frozen lemonade is going right in there. Everything. All in there. I'm going to use the can for the rest of the measuring. So one thing I'm going to do is I need a half a cup of water to go with this. So just looking for a half a can of water, not half a cup, half a can of water. But we want a full can of ice. This will add more water, but it'll chill the drink right down. So a full can of ice, beautiful Beatrice ball boiler. I know you guys will like it. And now for the really key ingredient. And what we're going to use is an American blended whiskey. Comes in the plastic bottle. If it's glass bottles, probably wrong. You need the cheap stuff. This is the Fleischmann's brand. This is the Imperial brand. So both of them are cheap. Both of them are perfect for a whiskey sour. What we're going to do is 3/4 of a can. You can use a full can, but we sometimes find that to be a little too much. That's a lot of whiskey anyway. That's really good. Whoa, there we go. Hold on, make it a little more. All right. And now one other special thing, and this is I've already prepared this. These are egg whites. What I want is about maybe 2 or 3, a couple of those. What this is going to do is really put a frothy head on the whiskey sour. So let's get enough of those in there. And now the tricky part, and that's to blend it. Look at that frothy head right there. That's from the egg whites right there. Now we're going to pour it right there over a few ice cubes. We've got ice in the drink, so it's already chilled. But a few ice cubes are perfect. You can see it makes about 4 perfect cocktails. But then we're going to garnish. This is where you want a fairly thick cut of orange. Cut it in half. Put it on the edge. How pretty is that? And then I'm going to top it off with one of my cherries. I'm not using this time my Luxardo cherries. Instead, I'm using, in this case, Tillin Farms cherry with a stem. And I think the stems add to the, to the ambiance and to the look. So we'll do that. There you go. That's Pete Curtis's famous whiskey sour. Happy Friday.